my coffee irrigation system. We're going to talk about the album in a second, but for right now, just enjoy Sally and my coffee irrigation system. Also, too, I feel like my signature on so many of these, like some of them I signed in the car. One of them, Megan signed. I don't remember what she did on one of them. 4 of them, my daughter signed. Brittany, can you come put another coat on my nails? Because I fucked this one up. But yeah, next album, I feel like we should just figure out a better alternative for the signing because it's a lot. Sorry guys, just irrigating my coffee. Is that the right word? It's not. Just irrigating. Goddamn, I'm sorry guys. I'm gonna get upstairs to talk about the album, but this is a slow process. It must happen because I haven't drank my coffee yet.
I mean, like, hi, looking at the Emma.
Hello.
Fuck, shit. Hi. Come fast. Shit. Hi.
What
Oh my
up?
god, I can't believe this. Shit. Hi.
Hi, where are you from?
Hi, I'm Anam. Shit. Hi.
Where? Where are you from? Where are you calling in from?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear
Hi.
me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Oh my god.
Okay.
Shit. I can't even believe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Where are you calling in from?
I'm from India. Love from India. Hi.
Yeah,
I'm literally
that's so
shaking
sick.
like
I
a.
played 2 shows out there. I really loved India. They treated us really well.
Oh my god, I love you too. Oh my god, I can't believe. This is my sister, by the way. She's a huge.
All right.
My sister. Come now, just come. She literally has like some merch of yours. Do you have it right now? Okay, fine. And she's like crazy obsessed with you. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, crazy obsessed. And
well,
her
tell us
name is
hi.
Hannah. Say hi, Hannah. Just come. It's fine. Just come. Just come fast. Hi. She's the one.
Hi.
I can't believe it. Oh my god.
No, show my face. Don't show my face.
Okay, well, I'm
God.
gonna explain some album. I'm gonna explain some album stuff real quick. So just stay on, and just keep watching. Okay, I'm about to go over and explain. Okay.
Oh my god.
Wait, I think you have to hang up. I don't know how to hang this up. I'm so sorry.
Okay. Never mind.
Okay. I love you. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Wait, I have to go, right? Wait, I don't have to. Okay, I'll leave.
I don't know how
Bye.
to end it. I don't know how to do it. Okay, there we go. don't laugh at me. I know you're laughing at my pants. Okay. So what I wanted to show you was this like magazine that we made for the album that's kind of long that I've held on to for years. It's like a $7,000 bomb This has like, I think it has like nitroglycerin in it. So if you freeze it when you hit the bong, like it makes the hit cold. It's pretty rad. Okay, hold on. Okay, before I get into anything, comment a bunch of tomatoes if you're ready for mainstream sellout March 25th. I'm gonna comment some right now. I'm gonna comment 1,000. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, comment a bunch of tomatoes if you want me to play this beat that I was making in the car. Someone should rap on that. Or someone should rap on this. Comment if you know this shit.
I wanna be the very best. No one ever was. Catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I'll travel across the land, searching for
Who's it?
something to understand the power that's inside. I know it's my destiny. Oh, you're my best friend. In a world we must define. Forever, I'm so true. Under is the world I feel. You teach me and I'll teach you.
Okay, which one was better, the beat I made or the Pokemon theme song? Hard to choose. Very hard to choose. Okay. Hardcover copy, Hotel Diablo, graphic novel edition. Fucking sick. This is not what I came here to show you, but it's on my desks. So I made this book last year. It's really fucking good. Okay, this is what I came here to show you. So on the merch, on our website, there is these, they're called zines, right? Like magazines. And it basically, well, I can walk you through it. I don't want to like show it all, but because like you should just get it for yourself and look at it. But this is the idea. So you can get them from the website. where you can get all the merch and all that stuff from. Like we'll just fast forward all the way to the back. In the back, there's a CD sleeve, and the actual Mainstream Sellout album will be in it, right? But inside is kind of like just handwritten things I was doing. I don't want to show too much, right? There's some pictures. Well, like, okay, here, for example, this. Here's when I was writing out the track list, and then I made a note to the label like, hey, make all these lowercase. I just happened to write in all caps. I don't know why. I'm trying to stop. I got my like handwriting read by a handwriting expert, and he said that he like went into a whole thing of why I write in all caps, but I'm trying to write in lowercase. Anyway, here I put like a section down here that was like songs that didn't make it. I actually forgot one. There's one called Traffic Light or Traffic Stop. I can't figure out what I want the name to be, but that one's sick too, and it should be on there. But these are some songs that didn't make it on this right now. There's also just like kind of some random shit in here, just like, oh, here's me with some shoes that I like, and I'm like, oh, I love these. You know, okay, so this is relevant because we're dropping this song this week. Maybe comes out this week. It's me and Ali, Bring Me the Horizon. Like, just here's an example of some stuff that's in the book. Like, I was just telling a story. I was with Ali when he got his eyelids tattooed, and I just like shared that right there. But I gave that fucking page away, so I'm not going to give away all the pages because they have some cool stories. Like, this is a good one. I won't show you that. Oh, there's actually there's a funny page in here about the cover. Because we've had so many fucking covers for this album. I don't know why I've gotten the habit of doing this. Like, I've just been going through covers like they're text messages or something. Just like I get a cover and then I'm like, now let's do another cover. Then I get another cover and then we print all the fucking covers and I'm like, now we should just do another cover. Oh, this one's kind of funny. This is like, I think this is the paper cuts page. Is it? Yeah, this is the paper cuts page. The lyrics from some of the songs are in here, by the way. Some of them are they're in like interesting fonts. So, you know, good luck reading that, but that's the fun of this book. Just need to take your time with it. But this one right here, from Paper Cuts, this the Hello World You Fucking Suck lyric. We put those on a hat, and Megan and I got on a plane from Germany, and they tried to kick her off the plane for wearing this, and she like refused to take the hat off. And she's like, "This is my boyfriend's hat. I'm not taking this off." And literally stood her ground so hard that they like ended up like calling police, and the police came, and it was a whole thing. But goddamn, I love her. She held it down. She never took the hat off, which was sick. But yeah, so I just write little stories like that one I wrote in here. And yeah, it kind of just goes to the track list, has a couple pictures, and then like I said, it has a CD at the end. But we just put these on the websites, so enjoy those. That was kind of what I came on here to do. But maybe I'll just see if there's anyone that wants to join in and talk while I drink this coffee, because goddamn, I'm not here waiting for coffee all morning. Yeah, see, I'm trying to add people in. Don't know what's going on. Interesting. Okay, well, I don't know why. It's not letting me add anybody, but what I will say is this. What's behind me? Oh, this was a gift. This was a gift actually for from the set of Good Mornings, this comedy that me and Ma directed that comes out in April actually, and it's basically so you can see what lens you want to use. See, like right there, I can go anamorphic, and yeah, tells me what lens we should be shooting the next scene with. But yeah, this was a gift. I love it. It's very cool. March 25th, Mainstream Sellout. I will be on here later this week because I'm going to South America to do Lollapalooza, which is so fucking sick. I'm so happy. I just want to say it's really cool to be headlining festivals. Obviously, is the dream. Definitely all because of your help. So, you know, thank you for getting us there. Like the demand makes the promoters have to put us in that spot. And when I'm able to headline, it gives me the freedom to like get better production and be able to, you know, play longer sets and, you know, give the fans a full experience. I will say this too. The album Mainstream Sellout is a pop punk album. Get this shit #1, and we're dropping the hip hop album this year. You heard? Mainstream Sellout goes #1. We're dropping that rap album this year. So we have a mission to do next Friday, my friends. Let's go crazy. 2 albums going #1 in 2022. It's a lot of 2s in 1 year. But most importantly is that one. #1 Mainstream Sellout. #1 mainstream. #1 hip hop album, untitled yet. So we're touring Europe this year. Touring America this year. I'm announcing when the tour is happening right after the album drops. The tour is fucking insane. It's going down between June through, it's a summer tour. Summer's gonna be fucking insane. Right after summer's over, we're dropping the rap album as long as you guys get Mainstream Sellout #1, which you will, undoubtedly. Let's go fuck up these award shows. Can't believe the Grammys missed tickets to my downfall. What the fuck? It's all good. We'll let them redo all that with Mainstream Sellout. Maybe drop the rap album before cutoffs for next year's Grammys, so we have Mainstream Sellout in one category and then the other album in another category. Be the first artist to do that shit. Maybe be the first artist to ever go #1 in multiple different categories for 2 different albums in the same year. Or ever. Fucking sick. We already had a #1 rock album, a #1 overall album, and a #1 hip hop album. Let's just keep getting the stats up. To all the haters, suck my, get your tomatoes, keep trying. It keeps not working. My fans are too goddamn sick. They're way too fucking cool. Way too bold and savage. Anything you can do, they can do better. To the guy on TikTok with the guitar, don't ever try to fucking ever play me. I love you, you know no better. I'm easy to hate, I get it. Except I don't, because I'm actually a nice guy. You know what? For the fans out there, you get the 132. Mainstream Sellout going #1. Album after that, before the year's over, going #1. Rap album coming after this one. They're gonna have to stop talking shit eventually. It's getting old. We're just lit. Don't know what else to tell you. Everyone has a problem with fucking everything. It's getting really old. Just have fun. Mainstream Sellout tour coming to Europe, coming to America. We're doing Madison Square Garden. We're doing Wembley or Wimbledon or some whichever the W one is in Europe. We're headlining Lollapalooza, South America. They keep trying, but they keep fucking failing. That's why we put the tomatoes on the cover. We're embracing it all. We don't give a fuck. Wore 16 shirts last night. Gave away the track list. Paparazzi's annoying, but we used them last night because we're winning. Got a 3rd nose piercing. It won't stop bleeding. Got a finger tattoo that I keep trying to hide, but you keep catching anyway. It's really annoying. You guys catch everything. Should have played. No, I didn't play lottery, but I should have played lottery because you know what's crazy? We went to the museum yesterday and they had these tablets and you have to line them up. It's in a secret language and you have to line the tablets up. And if you line the tablets up, they, you know, it like says the saying that was secretly inscribed on the word. And we got it the first try. And I was like, that's impossible. There's no way we just like randomly put this in there and got it on the first try. So I was like, it must just like, if you put them in any order, it must just always be right? Because it's a museum, like kids come in there, whatever. And I put it back in there and it was not right. So like the first try, I got it right. And now the first thing my girl said, she was like, we should buy a lottery ticket. Didn't buy a lottery ticket, but I should have. Fuck, we could have been rich. We're already rich anyway. Haters can't stop us. Anyway, very excited for Mainstream Sellout era. It's already very fun. Really, this one just seems like it's EST. Hi, Spotify. You did great this morning. That was amazing. We love you. Spotify, we love. Spotify and I are doing a release party the week I get back from South America, the week the album's out. So we'll all be having a good time. Oop. You know what I'm here for this year? Collaborations. Collaborations we love. After the album, it's collaboration season. We should collab with everybody. Except for the people that we don't fucks with. I can think of someone that I don't fucks with right now. Out of his goddamn. Yes. Okay. Well, I have never been happier to just drink coffee with you and talk about the album. I'm going to be doing it over the next week. Oh yeah. Me and Polo are definitely going to get that one in. 1000%. It's the year of the collabs. We're going off. Mainstream Sellouts just starting the gas pedal. Then we're going to shift that fucking thing into 6th gear. Go 150 miles an hour for the rest of 2022. Put a rap album out. Put a million collabs out. We're on our Lil Wayne in 2008 shit. We're going the fuck off. Bring all the hate. Don't care. It won't reach me anyway. All my fans are blocking it way too much with the love. People are mad I'm still wearing pink. Get the fuck over it. Can't believe that's even an issue. What the, bro, I thought that was, oh my God. I thought that was a fucking stranger. The whole time I was like, what the fuck? Even these are pink. Customized. So even when I hit and make the music, just not trying to hear it, man. I'm loving these collab suggestions I'm seeing you guys type. I actually fuck with all these artists. Actually, I even like that guy. I like his shit, even though he made a hate comment on me, but was also tweeting my shit back in the day. Weird how people change up. Intimidation is a motherfucker. Clout's a bitch. Biggest disease ever. Gotta stop. Just be cool. I'm a regular dude. You also don't want to be on my bad side. I'm a big dude. I will a motherfucker. Just stop. We love everybody. Collab's coming. Mainstream Sellout, March 25th. Virgil jacket. I've never worn it. Don't think I ever will wear it. It's a beautiful piece of art that I'm super fucking honored to have. Rest in peace, Virgil. And I see all the collab suggestions. I'm digging all those. I'm rocking. I'm friends with a lot of those people, and we haven't made it happen. So we got to make that happen. Actually, next live, you know what I should do? Play some of the or run through some stories, some collab stories that almost but didn't. So because there's some good ones. Tomatoes. And then when Good Morning comes out, the comedy Matt and I directed, speaking of tomatoes, let's run up the audience reviews on Rotten Tomatoes. Can't imagine the hate critics are gonna want to project. Let's just curve it the other way. Give them no choice. The people are always much louder than the haters. So, yeah. Yeah, me and Playboy Cardi would go hard. I actually talked to him about getting in that movie that I was just talking about, so I fucks with Cardi. Suicide Boys, I fuck with Tough. Me and Lana, we do have a song already. It never came out, but we have a great song. You know what's crazy is that Pharrell made a whole beat out of this shit for Snoop. Like, give it up for Pharrell. That shit's tight. Okay, I love you all. Have a great day. I hope this was somewhat informative about this. The album is for sure a good insight to the past 2 years for me. I think the album, I mean, you know, I'm for the incentives, man. Let's get this to #1 so we can have 2 albums this year. I know so many of my fans want that rap album from me. It's necessary for sure. So we're let's get Mainstream Sellout #1, and then we're dropping that album same year, right afterwards. But that's our mission, that's our goal. And I've never seen us miss the goal. All those fan voted award shows and all those things, you guys always win. You guys always take it home. So let's fucking get it. This guy right here has absolutely fooled me 3 to 4 times during this live that there was somebody just randomly behind me. Okay. Speaking of, okay, Uzi, we got to Uzi late on this album. So me and Uzi are going to have to redo that for the next one, for sure. Me and Uzi got to relink back up. The coldest freestyle I ever saw in the studio was with me, Uzi, and Thug. And Uzi went off for like 20 minutes. And it was the punchlines this motherfucker came up with off the top of his head, like it blew my fucking mind. Him and Juice, like with the off the top of the head shit. Oh my god. All right. Well, I love y'all. Have a good. What the fuck day is it? Whatever day this is.